Welcome to the video. I'm trying to have more interesting intros or beginnings of my video, but that's the best I can come up with for now. So it was Black Friday a few days ago, and obviously I went shopping. Actually, I went on Thanksgiving because that seems to be the trend lately, is that you go Thanksgiving night instead of actually. I haven't gone like actually on Friday in like 4 years. So this is gonna be a haul of what I got. I also went to the thrift store too, so like it's not like I guess a normal Black Friday haul. I didn't get like all new items. I don't know, but this is that. I'm gonna go get everything because I didn't do that before I did this video. I'll be back. First item. You know what? Okay, hair's not working out for me. Okay, first item. I got this from a thrift store because why go real shopping? We can just go thrift shopping and get everything for like
What?
$5. So I found this sweatshirt because I'm obsessed with sweatshirts. Like, I mean, not as obsessed as some people, but like I do like having an abnormal amount of sweatshirts to wear. Okay, so I got this. Have I been here to Colorado? No. Have I been like anywhere on Western United States? No. But I thought it was really cute, and now people are gonna ask me, "Oh, did you go to Breckenridge, Colorado?" And be like, "Yeah." I'm gonna lie. Anyways, so this is a sweater. There's nothing on the back. This is the sweatshirt I got. I've already worn it a lot. I really enjoy it. I like how it's blue, and I have a lot of black sweatshirts, so I like how I have a blue one now. That's nice. On to the next item. Next item is from none other than our beloved Target. This is a just plain white crop shirt. I've actually just been really wanting one of these, and it was on sale for $5. So I thought I have to get it, obviously. So yeah, there's nothing else really much to say about this. I just hope this one tank top I got from Target one time, it was the same brand, and somehow it got stained. I don't know if it was my fault or the brand's fault, but now I can't wear it. It was one of my favorite tank tops, and I only wore it like once, and now can't wear it again. So glad I got a shirt version. Hopefully I don't ruin it this time. Next item. Now we have another sweatshirt from a thrift store.
What?
Actually, I think I got 3, so this is 2 out of 3 of the sweatshirts you're gonna see. This one, gray. Why don't I hold it up? Here it is, Prince Edward Island. Where is that? I may never know. I really like this. I like this color gray, and I like this print. Like I don't know what style font this is, but I really like it. I like this gray. I'm enjoying this. It's also like, I don't know, it's just in really good quality for me from a thrift store, so I'm really happy I found it, except when I washed it right away, or may I say, I'm gonna blame this on Sloan because she washed them. When she washed it, it's a large, it kind of shrunk already. So not happy about that, but it's fine. It's fine. Next item. Well, look at my hair. I was just like, like trying to find the next sweatshirt, and I was like flipping my hair around because it was getting annoying, and look where I stopped in the mirror and looked at myself. I think I look like this right now. Okay, took me a while, but I found it. Okay, this is gonna be the last thing that I show because Sloan actually wore the other sweatshirt that I bought for Black Friday to school, and she's not here, so I can't show you, but it was another XL large sweatshirt. It said Penn State basketball, if you care. Am I at Penn State? No. So that's the funny part about all the sweatshirts. Anyways, so the last thing I got, me and Sloan went to Ulta on Black Friday / Thanksgiving to see all the deals they have on makeup and everything. And we got highlighter for, not working, for only 10 bucks, I'm pretty sure. And this is her Ice Me Out Pressed Illuminating Power. And honestly, I've never gotten any Kylie products before. Okay, I can't open it, but I just wanted to like swatch it to show you. But I only got it because it was on sale. I would never buy anything full price because I don't know, I just didn't want to. But I just wanted to, we'll swatch it, you know, why not? I've got time. This video is probably gonna be really short anyways. Oh, she's looking good. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. This is what it looks like on the inside. Beautiful, I know. Anyways, so yeah. That's what I got for Black Friday. I didn't get like a whole lot of stuff because I'm trying to save money, you know, as a broke college student. It's kind of necessary. Anyways, so that's what I got for Black Friday. Where'd the other sweatshirt go? Anyways, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next Wednesday for another video. I have nothing else to say, but Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Hope you... Did I just do it again? Anyways, happy holidays.